What's going on, people? It's lockdown number 3. Gonna go and have a walk with Em and her mum. I'm taking the A7R4 again today with the Tamron 70 to 180. Recently I've been shooting, we've been having some walks, and I've been trying to slow down. So I think that I'll be doing the same thing again today, trying to be a little bit more purposeful with the shots that I take, and maybe even try and illustrate a little bit more as I take them, because it's like I see them, you guys don't really get an understanding as to why I'm taking that shot. So I'll give a little bit more feedback in between time or before I take the shot, just so that you guys know the purposefulness of what I see when I see it. Today it is -2 degrees. All the cars are frosted over. Let's see what that looks like. Let's see what the dynamic range would look like. As I'm slowing down, I'll be able to set my shutter speed accordingly. Before, I just kind of left it at 400 just in case I zoomed out to 180. But seeing as I'm being a bit more purposeful, put that ISO back on. Actually, I will leave it on auto. I feel like this is going to come out terrible. I don't know what I was thinking, really. I was thinking like I had a wider lens that I could stand right there and the frost could be kind of like the center of attention, but that just didn't work out. And my metering has it all set up for the sun as well. That was a terrible first shot, but hey, I like the sun coming in that window. I don't know if it will look very nice. I doubt it will. But yeah, let's warm up. It's weird because it's only 10:30 and the sun isn't right up in the sky yet, but then the sun will be down before, I don't know, or going down by about 3. Ooh, super bright. I've taken shots like this before, so this is nothing new, I guess, or different to me, but let's take it again for the sake of it. I hope you guys can hear me. I've got my coat buttoned up. It's bright today. It's the brightest it's been in a long, long time. Greetings, COVID greetings. It's weird because I walked around in town the other day and it just didn't feel like we were in tier 5, 4, whatever you want to call it, lockdown again. It just feels like everyone's kind of just taking on the bullshit, just dealing with it, just living around it. And yeah, it's very, very different. I won't say too much because I don't want to offend anyone, but it's very, very different to the first lockdown. I reckon as I get closer over there, I'm gonna try and catch someone in the shadow. I thought I saw someone in there, just probably will shoot it for good measure. You all right? Look at that plane. I can't see it. Let's see. Dang it. Get the shadows in. Doesn't look as flattering as I thought. Maybe my angle and our mum being in the way creates a different kind of look. Yeah, I think standing maybe over that side and then taking them this way would have looked better. Sometimes I forget what is normal to us isn't normal to everyone. So we are located in Ipswich, and this ARC stopped by last year. Was supposed to be here for a couple of months, and yeah, COVID happened. So I'm guessing they haven't had business in a very, very long time. Hence why this is still stationed up and docked here until they can pick up again. And the other day we came to do a music video just here, and this big tanker army looking thing was here. So yeah, that's what's going on at the moment in Ipswich Waterfront, whether you find that interesting or not. I love the rainbow colours on the floor, come from that reflection. How can I make the shot more interesting? I guess with more... Oh no, start to lose it when you come closer. Oh no. So I'm bound by looking at it from this angle. Alright, nice and low so I get some of the rocks in the foreground. Get down low. I don't know if you can see it from low, that's a problem. No, not very interesting, but we move. So this was where we were headed, Holywells Park. That looks nice, just where the sun is coming through. Yeah. It comes from M. It's M's advice. Let's see what we got here. Was she right, guys? So that's quite a nice shot with them just all under the tree, and they're a little backlit, shooting at 180, going all the way in. I can't really see what's going on, to be fair, but I'm trying to line them up all in the middle. Let's see. It was quite nice. Nothing spectacular. I kind of like this. I like this. Would have been better when they were walking through the highlighted areas. It would have been a great shot if I didn't know who they were and they were randomers. There's no other building like this. Because there's just not, is there? So the reason why I'm taking this is because of the light popping through here. It looks really nice. Let me pick up that shutter again. Let's just see if we can. Yeah.
Where the orange stuff, the orange building and the white one.
So this reminds me, like, stand here, when you stand up here, so we've got to get from the same angle as I'm getting from. Does this remind you of somewhere you've been? The weather, the look?
If you fall on it, you get muddy. Yes, you will. Try it out. I'll give you a tenner. I'll give you a tenner if you slip over and see if your bum's not muddy. I'll give you a tenner. Sorry. After you. Nah.